Superstores nero eduka asorgo ngurigarua South Nyanza yanchere amone company ya mabati Rolling Mills eyuko yabwatuka uchiase abaonia aiga ntobwate showroom asura achabwirigirie amabati anda onsialia utagete showroom yeto nigo enkare eyuerengia na boigo ekogokiriso yao chingaki ogoswasa yegakurigiria amabati aiga ntobwate team Tembo abo bagokora imirimo ase showroom yega babwate chingoro chingia chugo kwarigania na boigo cho tebererie kende gensi uraganie bagotebererie company ya mabati Rolling Mills niko babwate amabati chingenjo ao ayuare ye chikala ao na boigo ayuiga bwate chi profile net gauges ao bunabono babwate normal corrugated na boigo box corrugated asime babwate Dumarang ayuare aye chigage emerongetato asama mabati alia ye chigage emerongibere na isaro na isato babwate tile profiles alia au oriental elegantal versatile gross na boigo na versatile mat MRM niko babwate lifestyle ayuago chana Roman Jinko na boigo web design babwate ligani kabwate chikala bunabone lia Chaco Grey, Brick Red, Tile Red, Maroon, Sky Blue na boigo na green obutambe bwe mabwate liga niko bokolengana amo nukuganya gwe customer mbabwate bintu bindi boigo ebyo ochikunyara kabo gutumika chingagicho gwakeranya mabwate liga ase nyumba yao tutari rero ase Ouru MRM showroom onyare kabo gokwerera amabwate yu akomenya segeka ayo uchane warrant na boigo ayo orakoberwa ikasure asobwango eduke yega ya Ouru Superstores yegotoka se enyumba ya Ouru Complex imiyumu chuyigo busongo eyuerangene duka ya Safaricom boigo ngotoka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyuere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetera seti namba chabo 0111161500 Ouru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Mwanchu murigeria oge Tembe TV mbuya mono nanda soko gendra kubwatiria emirobirio ya Getembe TV na boyo nogo sawa kwa noga ndoto gutwara hemargo bengi chinsa 10 cyabano marogoba cyabutokira seri tukeriga rie Juma chitariki 14 mutinyi yo gatatu mwaka no wechiribo bere 2025 chenkuru kwa Clinton Ndigi Olson Makori na otrenera kurwa sense media yumono we manyerio na mange aenekiwe Mwanchu murigera karibu sana tosanga senchira yo bwenge na boyo negatia toka ndoto kwa arigandia senchira yo boikiranu asubutko bwarero asemesa kionga chinsa ibere ne chinsa inye chobotko bwa rero tugochaka korwa se county ya Nyamira ase omoriki omonene w'ikiama kiri ya Jubilee Mheshimiwa Jeremiah Kioni oyo ogendrete koenekia etaro yekiama ekio ase kaunti ya Nyamira nabigo kogendra kumirana negatia barebe ikiama ekio ase kaunti eyo ase omoriki oyo hanyara ko bakagokwandra nabuna nigo ikiama ya Jubilee kianyara ko bagi kubeka emiroberio gocha kobwato ke ticket yo koriyo burai bwense ase chikura chinene cy'umwaka bw'ekiri bubere 25 gocha ase mwaziro mukoro b'uburendi bwime Mheshimiwa Fred Matiang'i asebona atabire bisaku ange byonse ka Kenya nigo bya muitabire Fred Matiang'i asemirembo yaya enegetie ase serikali y'Mheshimiwa Uhuru Kenyatta hoyo hore umurai bwense ya Kenya umukoro Jeremiah Kioni nigo bona asabira bananchi korwa ase orogongorega rwa gusi ande muna ase county ya Nyamira ko ikiame kyokoboko erinde emirobire chikwenekiwa yogocha kwenekia buno obachori obori bosio Mheshimiwa Matiang'i nachikonyora obobui
and between 2013 and 2022 alipokuwa anafanya tanga mwenye alikuwa deputy ya Uhuru ilikuwa Dr. Fred Matiang'i. Na mimi ndio niko na furaha kwa sababu ile chama alifanyia miaka 10 ameamua kutafuta kiti cha urais kupitia chama cha Jubilee. Na hii chama ya Jubilee ndio ilifanya ile kazi ambayo imefanyika. Hata hapa najua kazi ambayo moja nasikia inafudia ni kuna barabara itatengenezwa hapa inaitwa Chabera Chebirati Road. Ilikuisha haikuisha? Tamu ya kwanza. Ekerenyo Misambi Road. Ilikuisha haikuisha? Na kazi ikafika hapo. Nyinyi mnajua nyinyi ndio town ya pekee ambayo kuna Central Bank. Yes, this is region. Naima? Kazi ya nani? You can see something that a person has done. Kuchaguliwa sio tu kukaa kwa gari na kuweka kichwa juu ya hapana. It cannot be, and we cannot move as a country anywhere na hiyo kichwa juu ya gari. Na hata naomba Matiang'i akikuja asifanye hiyo siasa ya kichwa juu ya gari. Na kanisa imekuwa huwezi hata weka watu pamoja, ni kanisa tu. Weka kanisa tu, ukiona wamenyamaza unatoa 20 milioni.
Mwancho murigeria no muigo gendrete chinga kechiga nabigo murikito Fatgard Gisemba na gendrete ko bwaterio robot runachi gutumanyia senchira yoboikira no chinkwana nabigo miroberio una yene kiwase rituko riarero tutigarita se county ya Nyamira so robot no mwancho murigeria bunenchiremo yogosira ebikore busibyo gosira ebikore byoboibi na koirania omorembe ase binyoro ao nigo bona abamenyi kurwa se kenyoro kiaria misi egotoka se wodi ya Gachuba ebunge ya Kitutu Masaba se county yo ya Nyamira banyare ko bakogokera egetambo gyokwirane wachita chapara echichira ndio burabu ase chinseme icho nabego koenekia abuna oboibi no bosagani no bosaria mbochigo tuguterware mbasangane getasene kika kyagetembe asumurikito Polycarp Okara arenge nabego nagendate ko bwatira ase bono bago kerege tambo kirekyo nagateba bono nigo omorembe rachi kwiranirwa nabego botoeru koenekiwa
obibi mbwa ba ubonge bosari bokaba lakini bono gesa tuabe tejita jindangani seme justima pawe gato de Rusia mubeke nandi twaja gito kobeke chinde igoro echitobeke te bono igere tosirio oboibo bonge bara ogesunte gesire igere to tara sobora bum
chitaye chekenga chitaya igaro chega asaya gali gesunte ekiabunera mwera iga abaguli na bange bagwetaga iga bona karati gabeke chitaya no eno gochikoiba ororokana etairia mumurika
ekene kiombe getagete gusiria egesunda oboibi abandu bari bagotara butuko bakonyora baturira matoke kuri mugondo nebinte binge
one binyanga unki abanga byatokire nkeraga iga bono no mwana woko mutoma obura bwo mbocha babo buye kyara no mwana arara no nakamoni asoe kwegosa lakini bwana sauri akorira amayana ndaro moremereri otemire utobeke iro bura bwo bono ngusiriboro oboibi obosari obonge bwokorora kana asikinjeraga iga nguchigusira bore
ta basabake mo especially na chenzi
ekiombe kia Mary Foundation igoge koro kinjira ya moyo gukina abasae toligereribu tolendwe na to sirwe kitokira tu aba bantu bamana se community egesegete ya letire chitaya igase asaya labire na ye koro kinga omurayo muya noyo kunyora abantu ekeraro bizi none ekeratari
otwachakire kurwaiga ase ensemo ya Gachuba Ward aiga ria Miss Buying Center togendrete kogenda nande ntoendere kubeka gujia sande erinde tosirie egesunte obora bwoche
bo oyo taite ko to join na ndo taite ko give back to the community.
Tuguskabosyo bono mwancho murigeria soroboti ronderi tukuria rero nigo ekigambire kenene kyanyara ko baki gutugutirare okuboria ku mugavana bwe county ya Meru Mheshimiwa Kawira Mwangaza yoro kwamereria ukurusigo kwa yabisi amone bunge ye senate asaringe kubwatuka chinkwana buna nigo kurusigo kwae gutaringe korengana nerichiko nigo bono ritukuria rero ekigambire kyo kyanyara ko baki goteba ukurusigo kwa yabisi amone bunge ye senate nigo kwaringe korengana nerichiko nabo igo ogochakera bono gochibosyo tabwati nguru korengana ne katiba kogendra gotigara bisi no mugavana we county yo ya Meru chinga kicho kubwata koko na choko nigo bono muna choyo umone hagati bosomo muna choyo mone kurwase ekambere kyo niganya rako bakagoteba nigere bya homokonyi bo mugavana bose nigere korengana eri chiko mokonyi bo mugavana we county yo anyara ko baga koira emeroberio yo kwanekya bose yo kwanekya e county ya Meru ngochere gutwara obura iburo bya na kwanekya magendro ochibosi
and resolution were constitutional, and thus it would not be proper to suspend that action, and also this own court's judgment delivered earlier in today's session. Council Kirimi, learned counsel for the third interested party, and on behalf of all counsel for the interested parties opposed, added and argued that this court cannot stay a negative finding, and the granting of the oral application would amount to this court sitting on appeal of its own decision. Council Kirimi argued that stay or interim relief would greatly prejudice the people of Meru, one of which he represents in these proceedings, who have been eagerly awaiting the conclusion of this matter. The grant of the orders sought orally would also prolong the uncertainty in Meru County. He rested by arguing that in any case, it is a weighty application that should be in writing, with all parties being granted time to respond before a decision. I have considered the submissions by learned counsel and reflected on the matter in light of the unique circumstances of the case and the applicable judicial precedent, and I find that this court is not the appropriate forum for consideration of the grant of stay on the grounds adduced by learned counsel for the petition. Counsel explicitly referenced other fora that are to
Tuskabosyo mwancho murigeria bamenyi be county ya Nyamira usigati bamenyi kurwase county ya Nyamira nigo banyariko babagwe sokyo na gukwandra amagendro ayogendrete kwenekigwa ya serikali na bego serikali chichi county asabo igo bakwanire anemono umurobiri umuya bukuboto ko bokonyi bo bwenya kurwase serikali social health authority uyubata ibirwe kiraboniga igemirobiri yae itarabe kwa senchira iringia yo gochoko mokonyo mwananchi kawaida konyora obubwenya asa chinyagitari sibasabira serikali bekemirobiri yo kwenekya murobiri no chwikira na senchira iringia.
Baba yangu alikuwa mgonjwa, nikaenda mpaka hospitali, akamaliza siku 4 huko. Sasa hii siku 4 nikafikiria hiyo saa itanisaidia. Sasa hiyo saa hii kunisaidia, nikawaambia sasa analipia kila mwezi 300. Sasa wakanipia bili ya 25,000. Kwa kusema kweli hiyo pesa nilitoa kazi, na mkitaka hiyo risiti nitawapea. Sasa hiyo saa inasaidia kweli.
Wakati tuliambiwa tujiandikise kwa SHA, tutalipa pesa yenye iko 300. Lakini wakati tulirejesta, wengine wanaambia walipe 75 shillings, wengine 1,500, wengine 1,750. Sasa hatujui venye tuko.
We want to elevate the discussion of leadership in this country so that people can take it to the seriousness that it deserves. It's very, very important for the sake of the young people of Kenya that wapate ile governance ambayo itawasaidia kupata makazi, itawasaidia kwenda university, lakini wakishamaliza wapate makazi.
Tukuska bosio mwanchu murigerio mokonyi bumuraibu ensi ya Kenya muske Professor Abraham Kithure Kindiki nigori tukoria rero akora okumirana negatia bajumbe kurwase jibunge au kurwase ensemo ya Mount Kenya hase ensemo ya Karne County ya Nairobi asanya reko bakago kwandro kuganyo kukororo gukwenekia buna abarai au bachodre kurwase orgongorwa Mount Kenya ngocha baramo heri kubwate sia serikali ya Kenya kwanza insi buraibu wa mheshimiwa William Ruto eri kwenekia buna magendro nachikonya reko bakago kweneki wase chinsemejo.
Today, even if I was not Deputy President of Kenya, I would support the development of Kenya and the development of this region, even if I was not Deputy President. Because that is the right thing to do, isn't it? Kuna watu wanasema ati if I am not a mheshimiwa, wacha tuharibu hii maneno wananchi wasipate kitu. That is evil, it is unpatriotic, it is reckless. Because if our people can get benefits from this government which they voted for, that will be the happiest thing. If our people miss out just because of stupid politics, incitement, you've seen even areas where the support of this government was not even much. But they have put down their pride, they are working with the president, and there are things are
Tukuska bosio mwanchu murigera toso ase sekta yobochanu nigo bona banyagitari inse kiombe ya KMPDU bakorwa muno murikyo manebo kiombe kyo Dr. David Atela nigo bagosereide gochyo kone kyo mugiro gochakira tariki 15 na isato chumo tyenyo iga asikiri bakwemburungania no gutaikiranirwa kwa bokoreri boro bya kuru ase serikali na nemune wizara iriyo bochano gochi asa banyagitari abo asebono batebiro ikaraboniga nebanekero bagwakanira umuroberio hosha nigo patari konyora obokoreri ase chinyagitari au asebo igo banyariko babakuru kuboria gochi ase wizara iyo ene kieko barika igasi abanyagitari abange na boigo abanyagitari bari bare aborokiwa kwene kya bunamba chiko konya emiroberio yokubwatoka emiroberio yobobwene ase chinyagitari au
NHIF became de facto. We had a meeting with the national government and agreed that the services that we were enjoying from NHIF, the comprehensive cover, will then be covered by Social Health Authority. But this only happened for a few months. The whole part of December and part of this year, our members have been complaining. We've seen doctors who are offering services being detained in the hospitals because the comprehensive component of the Social Health Authority is not working. We complained about this 2 weeks ago and then it worked for 2 days. We are back here because we have many civil servants, we have many public servants, we have many doctors that as we speak now cannot access both public and private services using Social Health Authority. Yet we have been faithfully paying the medical allowance which we relinquished and the statutory reduction of 2.75%. When we tried to ask Social Health Authority why this is happening, then they said that employers, which also is government, has not remitted to them the 2.75% that have been deducted. So a government deducts the money from the employees and say that they have not remitted to the government, and therefore the government decided not to give services to the workers. So as we had promised earlier, we are not in a begging mission. The access to health care for doctors, for public servants, for civil servants is a right. And the fact that it's not a free service that we are asking for, but it's a service that we are asking based on the finances that we have been deducted. We have resolved, both as KMPDU and as UKCS, that next week on 18th, we'll have a mega demonstration from Kenyatta National Hospital to Social Health Authority to put petition there. Then we proceed to the Ministry of Health. Then we proceed to the Ministry of Public Service.
Tukuska bosio mwanchu murigera tutigata sengana yomugiro kurenda sensemo yechisemi abari munse yekiombe gya Kenya Post Primary Education Teachers Kupet nigo banyariko babagwesoke na barabuko gwasereria gochia konekya umugiro asama tukari bosio na konekya bunemerobero yechisemi na beta achia kogendra se chiskuru asekeri bagotabanga nige eserikali wetera ase wizara yechisemi etarabeka emerobero yogochia konekya buna obokoreri bwabo na barabombo chikobo byakero bakonekya emerobero yabo na konyore ngere yabo ase chinga kichiri chibwenrete
of the teachers medical scheme
is in a deplorable situation because the government has not honored part of its deal. Remember when we went on strike, we signed a return to work formula to return the medical capitation in total of 22 billion. Some little money was released in September to fix the teachers' capitation. Up to date, the teachers' capitation has not remitted 8 months after. Teachers are going to the hospitals, and particularly private hospitals have withdrawn the services from teachers because they have not been paid. Teachers are now forced to queue in public hospitals, which public hospitals, you know, are inadequate in terms of medication and in terms of facilities. This means that teachers are sick, and when teachers are sick, they cannot attend to the students. So what we are saying is that the government needs to remit the balance of 11 billion left so that the teachers can access medical cover as before. Continued delay in disbursement means that the quality education is in jeopardy in the country, and for that reason, we are urging the government to honor the part of their bargain, because again, we signed a return to work formula which was deposited in court, and it is a court order as we speak. So the government is in defiance of court orders. The other thing is about the capitation of schools.
Manchumurigeria kumerana kwa bari mwabuni gokwene kigwaso mubagani yo masensemeria ya Naivasha director nako ngyoringani Kenya Union of Post Primary Education Teachers KUPPET. Tukusuka bosio asoko kodra bono habasae inse yekyombegia Ford Kenya niko banyare ko bagwesokia na koro kyo gotako kwa benchire mirobiriga ndatako ne kiwase wizara yobochenu aniga gocha maiga yegati ya barai na bananchi kogendra komochia humu waziri uyotenete sekte yobochenu Dr. Deborah Baraza asekeri bagotebanga nigo atari goikirania emirobirio ya yebune bwendrete habasa yabo nigo baruro kuboria goendekia uno mwishimiwa Deborah kwegware ribaga yokobeke emirobirio diko chikokinia sekte yobochenu.
We are not pleased and we are not happy the way some cartels in the Ministry of Health and some politicians are using the media to attack her character and her capacity to perform in the Ministry of Health. And therefore, the purpose of this press conference is to ask those who are using the media to attack the CS to stop with the immediate effect.
Vijana katika jimbo la Bungoma katika chama cha Ford Kenya. Tuko hapa tukiwa kauli moja ya vijana wa chama cha Ford Kenya, tukiwa chini ya kiongozi wetu Musa Chekai ambaye ndiye president wetu katika chama cha Ford Kenya Kenya mzima. Tuko kwa kauli yetu moja hapa ya kuungana pamoja kumtetea waziri wa afya ambaye ni Deborah Mlongo kupitia mambo ambayo mmeona kupitia vyombo vya habari, kupitia magazetini na kupitia hata viongozi wengine ambao wanatoa cheche za matusi na kejeli kwamba yeye atoshi kuwa waziri.
The attacks on our CS of health is regrettable, is something that is disturbing to us. As a party, we accept that there might be challenges in SHA and in everything in the health sector, lakini inafaa watu wajue kuwa hizi challenges zinakuwa solved through teamwork.
And as young women, we are standing with Waziri Deborah, and we want to urge everyone who is plotting the thing of removing the CS, that let us give the CS time to work. Hatuwezi kuwa tunatoa CS kila time, CS wa health tunabadilisha. Hiyo hata kama wanataka SHA ifanye kazi, haiwezi fanya kazi kama kila wakati tunabadilisha CS wa health.
Mwanjumuriria agwo no twikira omwerio we mesa yikionga chinsa 10 senchira yobwenge no gusaba kwaninga kwanyara koba gokwemanya aria agendrete kwenekigwa gwikira chinga kichigana aria bari kibaito abamangana bagendrete kubwaterera kurwa se chinsemo gendra gutware margobengia na boigo gendra gutware borigerio bia asemero beria gendreta sembe wa Getembe TV kwera nande gikoroga chinsa ibere na inyecho botkobwarera semesa yikionga tonyara koba tukurigeria bona iga ase enchira yoboikira no toskaren kurwa Clinton Ondigi Wilson Makoordinero nkonya kurwa sensemo yomuno wemanyerio na boigo Wilfred Matundra kuromega yechi kamera kweneke chibichango cha chirebuya no director na Villa Kariro ne kamario ginara senchire rengia tomera ne gikoroga chinsa ibere.
Eduka yo bomo ya Uhuru Superstores Limited nero eduka echolide ilikuwa tukachirangi cha Crown Paints eyuere company nambe yemo eyokorose chirangi meyense yiga ya Kenya. Crown Paints nigo emanyira soko raisia ebintu biria bikomanya seka ngo kwanira chirangi echo boigo chire chechi brand ao echo chire chingi ya kirage chirangi chiga nigo chire chibirengo ao punabondo mbabwata chirangi cyo gwakwa imeye nyumba iziko ye nyumba chire chikomentre nigwa amavuta yani oil na boigo chire chia mache inyoranga chirangi chiga nigo chire kurwase chire chiri guririke iriya gatigati wekariguri iriya bantabatinu boigo imeya Uhuru Superstores nero eduka yuka iyo bwate emixer iyo bwochoganya chirangi wikabunuragani bwochoganire erangiriga aseduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores na bokwege namuna ekale aho watagete nigo kwayanyora bwikirano tutarire rero eriwe nyorere abamanyi na boigo enekenga enyumba yao use asomanyete use chire chibiasara nchibwa tokorelekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumikite chirangi cha Crown Paints eduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores yego toka se enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imeyumucho yigo musongo eyueranga ne duka ya Safaricom mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyuere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetera seti namba chabo 0111161500. Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Enyagitari ya Krista Marian Mission